Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of technology to explore the top 9 coolest gadgets that are totally worth buying. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for some fun new gear, there's something here for everyone. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's jump right in. 9. RGB Gaming Mousepad. The RGB Gaming Mousepad is a game changer for any serious gamer, combining functionality with stunning visual effects. Designed to provide a smooth and consistent surface for optimal mouse tracking, this mousepad enhances precision and responsiveness during gameplay. Its large size ensures ample space for sweeping mouse movements, allowing for effortless navigation in fast-paced gaming scenarios. One of the stand-up features of the RGB Gaming Mousepad is its customizable lighting. With multiple lighting modes and colors, you can personalize your setup to match your gaming rig or mood. The vibrant RGB LED lights illuminate the edges, creating an immersive atmosphere that enhances your gaming experience. 8. Foldable Keyboard Royal Kludge RKF68. The Royal Kludge RKF68 foldable keyboard is a versatile and innovative solution for on-the-go typists and gamers alike. This compact keyboard features a unique folding design, making it incredibly portable and easy to store in a bag or backpack. Weighing in at just a few ounces, it's perfect for travel, whether you're heading to a coffee shop, office, or gaming event. Equipped with mechanical switches, the RKF68 offers a tactile and responsive typing experience that's ideal for both work and play. The keyboard's layout is thoughtfully designed, providing a full set of keys while maintaining a compact form factor. With customizable RGB backlighting. 7. WURSK Transbuds. At 8. The WURSK Transbuds A8 are a standard choice in the world of true wireless earbuds, combining cutting-edge technology with exceptional sound quality. Designed for both music lovers and active individuals, these earbuds offer a seamless listening experience with rich audio and clear vocals thanks to their advanced drivers. One of the key features of the Transbuds A8 is their impressive battery life. With extended playtime on a single charge and a compact charging case that provides additional power, you can enjoy your favorite tracks throughout the day without worrying about running out of juice. The earbuds also feature quick charging capabilities, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your music. Comfort is paramount, and the Transbuds A8 come with multiple ear tip sizes to ensure a secure and comfortable fit. 6. Nest Learning Thermostat 4th Gen. The Nest Learning Thermostat 4th Generation is a smart home essential designed to enhance energy efficiency while providing ultimate convenience. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any home decor, featuring a high-resolution display that can be easily read from across the room. One of its standout features is its ability to learn your heating and cooling preferences over time. By analyzing your habits and routines, it automatically adjusts the temperature, ensuring your home is always comfortable when you're there and saving energy when you're not. The thermostat can be controlled remotely via the Nest app, allowing you to adjust settings from your smartphone, whether you're at home or away. This capability not only enhances convenience but also provides insights into your energy usage, helping you make informed decisions about your consumption. With built-in sensors, the Nest Learning Thermostat can detect when you're home or away. 5. Razer Kiyo Pro. The Razer Kiyo Pro is a high-performance webcam designed specifically for streamers and content creators who demand exceptional video quality. With its advanced 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second, it delivers crystal clear, smooth video, making it ideal for live streaming, video calls, and content creation. One of the stand-up features of the Kiyo Pro is its adaptive light sensor technology, which automatically adjusts to different lighting conditions. This ensures you look your best whether you're in a well-lit room or a dimly lit environment. The webcam also features a wide-angle lens with adjustable field of view options, allowing you to customize the framing for your setup, perfect for showing off your gaming rig or including more of your surroundings. 4. LARC Puravis 2.0 Bottle. The LARC Puravis 2.0 bottle is a revolutionary water bottle that combines sleek design with advanced purification technology. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and anyone looking to stay hydrated on the go, this bottle features a built-in UVC light that effectively eliminates up to 99.99% of harmful bacteria and viruses in just 60 seconds. With the touch of a button, you can ensure that your water is pure and safe to drink, making it perfect for filling up from questionable sources. The 2.0 version enhances the original design with improved insulation, keeping your beverages cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. 3. Tanto Mini Divot Repair Tool. The Tanto Mini Divot Repair Tool is an essential accessory for golfers dedicated to maintaining the quality of the greens. Compact and lightweight, this tool is designed for easy portability, fitting comfortably in your pocket or golf bag. Crafted from durable materials, it combines functionality with a sleek design, making it a stylish addition to your golfing gear. Featuring a dual-pronged design, the Tanto Mini effectively repairs ball marks without damaging the turf. Its precision tips allow for gentle lifting of the grass, promoting healthy regrowth and keeping the greens in top condition. The ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling, making it easy to use during your rounds. Additionally, the Tanto Mini includes a built-in ball marker. 2. Sneaker PC Case. The Sneaker PC Case is a unique and eye-catching computer chassis that combines the world of gaming and sneaker culture. Designed to resemble a stylish sneaker, this case appeals to gamers and enthusiasts who appreciate aesthetics as much as performance. Its innovative design features sleek lines, vibrant colors, and intricate detailing, making it a statement piece for any gaming setup. Beyond its visual appeal, the Sneaker PC case offers practical functionality. It typically includes ample space for high-performance components, such as powerful GPUs and cooling systems, ensuring optimal airflow and thermal management. 1. Quell Fitness Gaming. Quell Fitness Gaming is an innovative platform that combines gaming with fitness, making exercise more engaging and enjoyable. Designed for individuals who want to stay active while having fun, Quell offers a unique blend of video game elements and physical activity. Users can participate in a variety of interactive games that require movement, helping to transform workouts into immersive experiences. The platform typically utilizes motion tracking technology to capture your movements, allowing you to control in-game actions through physical activity. This encourages users to get up and move, whether it's through dancing, sports simulations, or adventure-style quests. Quell Fitness Gaming promotes cardiovascular health, strength training, and flexibility, making it suitable for users of all fitness levels. So there you have it. Our top 9 coolest gadgets that are totally worth buying. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.